Hello friends, my name is Satinder Kaur and I'm one of the ex-student of Khaira Education. I cleared my OET in second attempt because I was not able to score B in speaking. I was disappointed that time because I did my best and I thought that this was my limit and I cannot go beyond this. Honestly saying, I lost my hope to clear the OET exam. Then I approached to Khaira Education. I talked to Gurleen ma'am. She motivated me, and by her motivation, I failed my exam again. On the very first day, I talked to Sonali ma'am that what wrong I did in the exam. She cleared all my doubts. Then I started taking classes in Khaira Education. They have both modes, offline and online classes. It depends on you what suitable you the best. If I talk about the reading module, it is considered the toughest module, but thanks to Sania ma'am for giving the best tips and techniques to clear the reading session. If I talk about speaking session, the interviews are taken by the various OET trainers so that we have a wide exposure of our speaking skills. The best thing I like the most is that they have sent you the follow-up task. You can find a partner and practice it with them. It really works for me. I did the same and honestly saying it works. All the trainers are highly efficient. They have knowledge, they are polite and humble. If we have any doubt regarding any module, we can message to them and ask our doubts. So candidates who want to give OET exam, my only advice is that join Khaira Education because they provide you the best OET material with best OET trainers. Best wishes. Thank you.